Hello everyone. So in this video, let us learn how to change the lampshade. Yes, my channel is not just about Emacs, Linux or mode. It's all about learning new things every day. So I have these lampshades and these are actually very old. Probably, I don't know. So I just wanted to change them. But for a long time I was being lazy. But today I finally pushed myself and I removed the lampshade. So to remove the lampshade, all you need to do, you first need to remove the bulb. So of course, there's a bulb and you will find this cap, which is basically holding this lampshade together. Let me show you. So basically the lampshade will go like this, right? And then you have to attach this cap, which is like a screw, and then you can of course plug your bulb here. So I have a new lampshade which I will now show you how to change, how to replace, and it will take just under a minute. So this is my new lampshade, which is metallic and it looks a bit fancy, which I just bought today, by the way. So all you need to do, you need to basically insert your lampshade here like this, and then you will attach your cap. So this one here. So let me just do it because I need two hands. Okay, so this is the lampshade which is now attached. Let me show you. Looks perfect. And all we need to do now is we need to just plug in the bulb and we are done. So I have attached the bulb and let us test this now. 1, 2, 3, and it looks really good. Nice. I actually changed both the lampshades. I have one more. Let me show you the other one. So this is my other lampshade which I changed just now. So let us also test this. And yes, it looks really nice. I'm very proud of myself today, and I wanted to make this video because I know a lot of people are lazy like me, and they avoid doing the simple DIY. It's not even DIY, it's just doing things. So I hope you I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.